Welcome to the Citra21 Channel, your gateway for exciting and engaging content. Join us for an exciting journey. Subscribe for the latest video release. In our rapidly evolving world, a new economic trend is swiftly gaining momentum: the gig economy. It's a labor market characterized by the prevalence of short-term contracts or freelance work, as opposed to permanent jobs. This shift in the way we work has been fueled by advancements in technology, with online platforms acting as the bridge between skilled individuals and those in need of their services. From graphic designers to handymen, the gig economy is a melting pot of skill sets, offering a plethora of opportunities for anyone looking to earn from their expertise. The beauty of it all? You get to be your own boss, work on your own terms, and choose projects that align with your interests. The gig economy is here, and it's transforming the way we work. So, are you ready to dive in? Now that we know what the gig economy is, it's time to explore the opportunities it presents. In the vast landscape of the gig economy, various platforms are paving the way for freelancers to connect with clients. TaskRabbit, Fiverr, and Upwork, to name a few, have become virtual hubs where individuals can offer their skills for a price. Imagine this. Picture yourself as a writer, scribing eloquent prose for a blog post, or drafting a fiery speech for a keynote speaker. Or perhaps you're more visually inclined, creating striking graphic designs that captivate audiences, or crafting social media posts that generate buzz and engagement. These platforms are like a bustling marketplace where your skills are your commodities and there's always a buyer looking for what you're selling. But maybe you're thinking, I don't have those skills. Well, that's the beauty of the gig economy. The range of skills that can be offered is as diverse as the people who possess them. Are you a whiz at assembling furniture? There's a gig for that. Can you whip up a spreadsheet like nobody's business? There's a gig for that too. In this digital age where almost everything is just a click away, even tasks that seem mundane can turn out to be lucrative gigs. From running errands, delivering groceries to proofreading documents, these platforms cater to a wide array of services, making it a gold mine for opportunities. You see, the gig economy is less about fitting into a conventional job role and more about harnessing your unique abilities. It's about transforming your hobbies, your passions, and your skills into a profitable venture. So, think about what you're good at, what you enjoy doing, then turn that into a gig. Start small, grow steadily, and who knows, you might just build a thriving business out of it. With the gig economy, you can turn your skills into a profitable venture. The opportunities are endless. So, why not take that first step? Dive into the gig economy and start shaping your financial future today. Now let's talk about why the gig economy might be the perfect fit for you. The gig economy opens up a world of opportunities, but what truly sets it apart are the benefits it brings to the table. The first and foremost is flexibility. No more 9-to-5 grind. No more rushing to beat traffic. With gigs, you can work at a time that suits you best. This flexibility is a lifeline for those juggling multiple responsibilities, like students trying to balance academics with earning a little extra pocket money, or stay-at-home parents coordinating their work with the rhythm of family life. Next comes control over your income. Traditional jobs often come with a fixed salary, but in the gig economy, your earning potential is truly in your own hands. The more tasks you take on, the more you earn. This means that if you're willing to put in the effort, there's no cap on your income. It's a simple equation: more gigs equals more money. Moreover, the gig economy lets you work on your own terms. You're not tied to an office or a boss. You choose the projects that interest you, honing your skills and building a portfolio in the process. It's an empowering way to work that puts you in the driver's seat. And let's not forget, it can be a great way to monetize your passion. Love writing? Take up content creation gigs. Good at graphic design? There are countless clients in need of your creativity. By turning your hobby into a gig, work becomes less of a chore and more of a joy. To sum up, The gig economy offers a unique blend of benefits. It gives you the flexibility to work when you want, the power to control your income, and the freedom to choose your projects. Whether you're a student looking for a side hustle or a stay-at-home parent seeking a flexible income source, the gig economy could be the perfect solution. The gig economy offers not just income, but also the flexibility to work on your own terms. It's your chance to take control of your financial future. So, you're interested in the gig economy, but how do you get started? Well, it's easier than you might think, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to decide on a platform. There are many out there, each with their own unique features and benefits. Platforms like TaskRabbit, Fiverr, or Upwork are great places to start. They offer a broad range of gig opportunities from graphic design and writing to handyman services and more. Choose a platform that aligns with your skills and interests. Next, it's time to create a compelling profile. This is your chance to showcase your skills, experience, and personality. Include a professional photo and a catchy headline. Write a detailed description about what you can offer, and don't forget to highlight your unique selling points. Remember, your profile is your personal brand, so make it stand out. Now, on to the fun part, finding gigs. Start by browsing through the available tasks or projects. Look for gigs that match your skills and interests. Don't be afraid to start small and gradually take on more challenging tasks as you gain confidence and experience. Once you've found a gig you're interested in, it's time to make a proposal. Tailor your proposal to each gig, highlighting how your skills and experience make you the perfect fit. Be professional, but don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. And finally, once you've landed your first gig, it's all about delivering high-quality work and building a strong reputation. This will help you secure more gigs in the future, and who knows, you might even turn your side gig into a full-time venture. Getting started in the gig economy might seem daunting at first, but with these steps, you're well on your way to starting your journey in the gig economy. So, why wait? Start exploring gig platforms today, create your profile, and take the first step towards a more flexible and rewarding way of earning money. With these steps, you're well on your way to starting your journey in the gig economy. The gig economy is more than just a trend. It's a revolution in the world of work. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discovered today. We've learned that the gig economy is an exciting and vibrant marketplace, teeming with opportunities for everyone, regardless of their skills or schedule. It's a world where you can turn your passion into profit and where flexibility is the order of the day. With platforms like TaskRabbit, Fiverr, and Upwork, you're not limited to a single career path. You can offer your services as a writer, a designer, a social media guru, or even a handyman. And the best part, you can do it all on your own terms, fitting your gig work around your personal commitments. We've also revealed how the gig economy can be a real game changer for your financial future. Not only can it provide a valuable source of extra income, but it can also offer you control and freedom over your finances. You can decide when to work, where to work, and how much to charge for your services. And with each gig, you're investing in your own success, not someone else's. Now it's over to you. The gig economy is waiting, and it's filled with opportunities for you to seize. Don't let this chance pass you by. Start exploring gig platforms today, discover the tasks that resonate with you, and start your journey towards financial freedom. Remember, the only limit in the gig economy is the one you set for yourself. So why not push those boundaries? Why not turn your skills into income and your passions into profit? Don't forget to subscribe and share while still free for public. Thanks for watching Citra21 Channel.